Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add background on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a background to your Wix page is a straightforward process that can enhance the overall design and user experience of your website. Once you are logged into your account, depending on how you set up your Wix account, I want you to hover to the left side panel wherein there's going to be an option that says website, and I want you to click on it. If you do that, it will direct you to the website builder editor wherein it's very easy to add a background on Wix page. All I have to do is click on this section right here. This one. Right click and there's going to be an option that says change background. Okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an image that I have been working with, and that's going to be on Canva. I wanted this image to be the background of my Wix website. And all I have to do is go to the share button. I have the option to download as PNG, JPEG, SVG, which is going to be the best for web design and animations. So I'm going to download this one and save it. And I'm going to switch over to the Wix website builder editor. Again, right click to have the change background. You have the color, image, and video. But of course, I'm going to select the image. If you do that, you would be forwarded here. You have the files. You have some images provided by Wix if you wanted. But I'm not going to do that because I'm using my own image. I'm going to click on upload media and it would forward you to a pop-up window. You have all of these options from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, link URL, and of course to your local computer. Let me do with that. Once you've done that, wait for it to load. It's uploading, and then you would be able to take a well-chosen background that can make your website look more attractive, professional, engaging, and creating a positive first impression for your visitors. Right? So this is going to be the image. All right, so this is that. If you hover down here, you would be able to see the background image that you have created. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.